So I'll just start by introducing myself. My name is Eseta, the singer, and I am from Fiji. I flew in yesterday, and I'm so blessed to be able to be here to witness tonight. So I was coming with Joe in the car, and I was like, Joe, you know, I'm here for holiday, but I also was praying in the airplane for God to show me and use me in a mighty way. So I don't know what that is, but starting tonight, God is using me right now to testify to you about how good He has been to me. So sometimes our plans are very shallow, very small, but God has bigger plans for us. So the organizers, they asked me to challenge our young people. I've been singing for 18 years in a singing ministry, all female. But I started singing when I was like 6 to 7 years old with my family back at home. So singing is nothing new for me and my family. I think what I'm trying to say tonight, children and families who are here, it starts from home. So I witnessed my mom and dad, they love the Lord, and we would have worship every evening. So this is where it started. This is where it built up in me that I love to do this too, because I saw this at home. So challenging our mom and dad, new parents, start from home. This is where I saw love, I saw Jesus, and I saw how loving my parents were. They never looked back, and nor did they portray anything different than just praying and going to church. So that was my foundation. And I leaned on this for a while. You know, when we're young, we tend to lean on our parents' prayers and their faith. And then life happened. I got married. I have a son who's 6 years old. And that change taught me to pray by myself for my own family. So singing is not an easy thing, because you have to train and you have to go places, being in a singing ministry. But one thing that has reminded me is this text. It says in Psalms chapter 146, verse 1 and 2, praise ye the Lord, praise the Lord, O my soul. While I live, will I praise the Lord. I will sing praises unto my God while I have my being. Many people, they come to me and say, hey, why don't you go do a recording or a secular song, or just do a live band where you can sing secular music. You'll get more money, more fame. I stand on this, and I stand on the teachings of my parents and my God. Children, youth, don't ever look back. And don't think that what's out there is better than what we see here or in our homes. God is the best choice that I've made, and I've never changed my mind, nor have I looked back. Because if it wasn't for Jesus, I would not be where I am today. God has blessed me in a mighty way. He gave me a good job. He gave me a loving family. He gave me a loving ministry to sustain that passion for music that I have. And I just want to say that how blessed I am. So I want to challenge you young people looking at me right now. Thank you for that lovely testimony. Don't look back. Don't ever regret doing what you're doing right now, singing and praising God. Amen. Because it goes a long way. It's useful in this life and in the life that is to come. Amen. So I hope and pray that you were blessed with that testimony before I sing this next song, Take Me to the King. I sang this here 10 years ago when I last came, and my voice was very croaky, and it's still now. So whenever I go overseas, my voice kind of gives up. I think that's God's way of telling me, you need to trust me. It's not you, it's not your voice, it's me. It's all about me. So tonight, whatever it is that you're facing right now, take it to the King.
Truth is, I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't think what's left to do. Truth is, I'm weak, no strength to fight, and no tears to cry. Even if I try, but still my soul refuses to die. One touch will change my life. Take me to